Dyer, classic Corvette parts, 1515 White Oak Drive, Garland, Texas, 98 pounds. And we're going to cut this open because instead of accepting $1,400 like we agreed to, he just sent me a box of I don't know what back. He claimed it was machined months ago. So when I offered to pay him, he didn't want to hold up the agreement we had. So, is it machined? Do I have a paperweight? That looks like a bone stock cap to me. That's some random bearings. That's some more random parts. Looks like one of my stub shafts. Oh, that's okay. So I got my two stub shafts. I'm going to need two hands for this, so I'm going to set this sideways right here while I pull out parts. Bone socket. Look at this. This is interesting. We're going to have to compare this to the before pictures that I sent him. This shows a clearly eaten up pin . Which I have pictures to prove is not what I sent him. Look at this. Eaten up stub shafts. That is amazing. You say, well, what's amazing about that? Well, I have pictures that show the stub shafts still had a taper on the end. Same thing here. Completely destroyed stub shafts. No taper on the end. Again, I have pictures that show it had a taper. And this you can make it out. Probably not. 1123.81 is what it says. All right. So far, we don't have the parts we were promised. We only have the parts we were originally sent. So, Mike Dyer, you have, at this point, stolen my parts. Let's look at this and see if this matches. This says 12/15. Get that 12/15/78. It's interesting considering I have an '82 Corvette.